When you look at LEED building and it talks about 10% less carbon and gets highly ranked, and it used to be you got points for recycled content, and you'd be recycling PVC carpets that are toxic and getting points. Really? We can do so much more. We can upcycle design. And the way we do that is we get out of this game of simply looking at measurements, because all you can do is get to quantifications. And what we look is we do our values and we start at the top. What do we love? How do we deal with it? What do we do? So we design fabrics that are safe enough to eat. I did this in 1993. It's my first project with Michael. We brought in the chemists. We looked at 8,000 chemicals in the textile industry, eliminated 7,962. We made a fabric so safe you can eat it, reduced its cost by 20%. The trimming, which had been declared hazardous waste, is now mulch for the local garden club. Why not? Cheaper, more profit. It's been selected by the Airbus 380 as the fabric of choice, which is very good news for you frequent flyers. As the food gets worse, if you have a very severe fiber deficiency, you can safely eat your chair. Okay. So we look at all the chemicals and we rate them and we rank them and we talk about constant improvement. And we look at things that are disassembled, like the steel case chair that comes apart in 5 minutes with tools you'd find in a kitchen drawer. So if it ends up in Mexico City out the back door 15 years from now, taken apart for aluminum, polycarbonate, polyester, steel, and so on. We can also upcycle energy. I'm working on a Baltic island off Denmark. You know, we started to think, well, there's dark 6 months a year, so how do we feed them with solar energy in the winter? And we realized we have all this wind power at night. It comes in at 2 o'clock in the morning, and we have it all winter long. It's amazing, fierce gales, and we can use it to grow food because we've now discovered that we only need 2 parts of the red spectrum and 3 of the blue to grow strawberries in the dark. How cool. You come in the morning and you have strawberries that grew the night before from the wind power offshore. Isn't that something? The Dutch have discovered this. It's quite amazing.